I'm going to improve my Spring Boot project. I will add unit tests and integration tests that will increase test coverage for services, controllers, and exception handling to ensure reliability. I will add API documentation, integrate Swagger, OpenAI for interactive API docs and easier client integration. I will add validation enhancements, add custom validators for more complex business rules, password strength, email domain. Not sure I will do that right now. Security, implement authentication and authorization. That's quite complicated and that's not will be implemented soon. DTO separation, performance monitoring, pagination metadata, exception granularity, configuration management. Yeah, probably I think I would work on the first one, add unit integration tests. Add unit integration tests. Okay, I will go with this part. So to increase test coverage, add unit tests for your service and exception handler and integration tests for your controller. Below are examples. Unit test for user service. Okay, let me actually make new class. I would create a SRC test. Oh, I already have some demo application tests. It is very good that I already have something. But let me create a new one. New Java class test. Okay. So I don't need others for now. And let me copy that class and let's see what I will have. So first of all, I just need to run it and see if it works. Because probably there can be some issues, but let's see. Run. This is just simply a unit test that will verify the service layer. If maps everything, yeah, it works, you see. Let me run all tests. So create user should return DTO. Update user should throw duplication email exception. Get all users should return page. So I see we have this success, this is negative case, and this one paginated result. And okay, and I see this negative case. What it does, it throws an exception, duplicate email exception, and where we have that. Okay, validate email uniqueness. Duplicate email detected. Here's the case where we actually throw an exception. Let me probably debug and show you. Okay, I'm debugging. Okay, if you see, I went from this place and I went inside service layer and I have ID 1 and user details. John and johnexample.com, where we set here. John example. So we created DTO. We mapped it to the entity. After that, we are mocking find by email. So that means that when this method will be called, then we should return this existing user and no request, no query will be executed on DB side. So if you will go, in that case, this is find email. If you will see, this is repository is null. As you can see, when find by email are called, then it will return that mocked data. When I'm saying mocked, I mean you created it manually and you return it here. Okay, and it throws an exception because user details that you sent and user with email that returned from DB, let's say, they are matching and it will throw an exception. That's it. It's nice actually. So we wrote user service. This is unit test. Let's see if there is anything else for that. Okay. Let's see for global exception handler. Also unit test we have. Let me create also. So I see I have here some error. Yeah, probably I will not manage to do that. But let me actually check if I have anything else. Okay, better I would write user controller for the beginning. I don't need for now exception handler.